nest in the upper house. We'll try and get you a snippet of what happened in the Rajya Sabha. But yet again, due to sloganeering, we have
a proper reply which needs to be given on the part of the government of India regarding the charges which are being leveled against the Adani group. But on the other hand, there are several leaders within the India bloc parties who have raised this concern. That matter he has also said and mentioned to the Congress High Command as well that all these issues needs to be taken up even by the Congress party itself.
Well, that's going to be very interesting because you have this, and then we'll also play out a reaction from Mallikarjun Kharge. But before that, let's tell you as to what really is happening even as we speak in both houses of the parliament. The Rajya Sabha, just minutes and after repeated sloganeering and chants which had happened. So let me go back across to Niyamika. Niyamika, what exactly are the issues that other alliance partners of the Congress party
that we are ready to hold a discussion, but it is only the opposition parties who are not letting the house function properly. The manner in which sloganeering is continuing in both the houses, both in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, that is basic. India bloc parties who are continuously holding protests, they are raising slogans which is not right on their part. However, on the other side, when we have spoken to several of the leaders from the India bloc parties, they are saying that we are just raising issues which includes the demands of the farmers. In fact, the Manipur violence, Sambal violence, all of these issues are also needs to be discussed within the parliament. But because of this one particular matter, they are not being able to
watch out as to what the future course of charting the strategy for the parliament is going to be, because clearly the Congress and its own alliance partners seem to have disagreed over that. Meanwhile, we put some straight questions.
Not commenting right now.
आप बोलेंगे क्या संबल और अदानी वगैरह आगे चलो अभी हमसे
वहाँ पर चुन के आए हैं, लोगों की अपेक्षा रहती है कुछ चर्चा हो और कुछ बातें निकले उनके लिए। उससे पहले ही हाउस अर्जन होता है कि
to allow the House to function, allow a healthy debate. The opposition has blamed the government for the continuous disruption, saying, as you just heard, within 5 minutes, why are they adjourning the House and not allowing it?
We have had debates in the past on the 60th anniversary of Parliament, on the 70th anniversary of Quit India. So many anniversaries we've had lengthy discussions and debates in Parliament. Why not on this one?
House to be run, because has to take action to run the House smoothly. We are ready for running the House, provided there should be a discussion on Constitution, which they promised to us.
और हो रही है, गैंग रेप हो रहा है, हत्याएं हो रही हैं, लूट हो रही हैं, व्यापारियों से अवैध वसूली हो रही, और जो शिकायत कर रहा है 5-5 बार शिकायत करने वाले विधायक को उल्टा उठा के अंदर कर दिया। तो
पर बात होनी चाहिए, अडानी मुद्दे पर बात होनी चाहिए, मणिपुर इशू पर बात होनी चाहिए। ऐसे बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं जिस पर सभी पार्टियां चाहती हैं कि बात हो, लेकिन सत्ता पक्ष शायद नहीं चाहती कि हाउस चले, इसलिए वो नोटिस आने के
debate in the parliament anymore. The disruptions in the parliament very closely here on Times Now. But with that, let's move on the bulletin. There's some big breaking news.